Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. Today's video is finally going to be the complete makeover of the bedroom we've been working on for several months. So before we get too far into this video, I need to take you back quickly and show you what we had done so far in this room. So starting off back at the end of October, I switched two rooms in our house. Our son Levi's room with our storage, computer, guest room. It served multiple purposes, but basically was just a room piled full of items that needed to change, and switching these rooms just seemed like the best choice to best utilize these spaces. So since then we've been working at turning this room into Levi's bedroom that will also serve as a guest room when we have overnight guests. So in this second video from back in November, I shared my plans and design for the space. I painted, and then we built some DIY rustic beams for the ceiling. If you want to see the details of how we built these beams, you can go back and watch that video. Once those beams were installed, Jalen installed canless lighting, and now we're back to today's video, the present day, where we will be finally completely finishing this room. So stay tuned until the very end of this video to see the before and afters and the final reveal of this bedroom. The next step in this bedroom makeover was to put together the furniture, and the furniture that we chose was from Article. We have been using Article furniture for years and years in so many different house projects and room makeovers. We have always loved every piece. We could not recommend them enough. The quality is amazing. And Article sent out the bed, the dresser, the mirror, the shelves that you'll see later. And the bed is the Cooper King low profile bed in the walnut color, and we loved it so much that we went and purchased the nightstands to match. Those were the Cooper one drawer nightstands that you saw me putting together at the beginning of this video. They're just such high quality. I know this is a bedroom set that will last our family for years and years in the future, whether it's always our guest bedroom set or Levi's. It's just a beautiful wood set that'll go with a lot of different styles. So the backrest on this bed is slightly slanted, which is actually a really good idea if you're wanting to like sit up in bed and read a book and stuff. That's really nice. I like the low profile frame. Once we get this bed put together, I'll move on to hanging up the curtains and starting to decorate. This all was going on over the process of about 3 different months just because I was waiting for certain pieces of furniture and different items. It just ended up dragging out for a little longer than we thought it was going to. I'm now working at hanging up the curtains, and I usually love to take curtains all the way up to the ceiling because it helps your room feel taller, larger, but because of the beams I had to have these down about almost 4 inches from the ceiling. So these are custom curtains from 2 Pages, and I chose the Liz linen curtains in the color Burley Wood Birch. I wanted something warm and cozy for this space, and I love how it looks in here. It ties in really well with the rug and the wall color, the bedding, everything. It was a very rainy day on this day. We've actually been getting a lot of rain this winter, which doesn't always happen here in Arizona. Now I'm hanging up the second curtain, and this one is much smaller. This is a very small window, and I've also got just a little bit of wall over here to the left, so I custom made this curtain to fit perfectly in this space.
You got this from Hobby Lobby.
Really?
Yep, you got this from Hobby Lobby.
So there is a couple items that I'm reusing in this room. That olive tree in the corner was the olive tree from Levi's nursery, and then also his rocking chair we brought into this room as well. This chair is really comfy, and he still loves to rock and read books, and it's nice to have it in here for guests as well. And that light fixture sitting on the chair actually used to be our dining room light fixture, and the plan is to turn it into a plug-in hanging lamp here in the corner. So stay tuned to see that, and just stay tuned until the very end of the video to see the final reveal of this room. This is the Stark 25-inch 3-tiered shelving unit in the walnut color. It's the perfect color to match the bedroom set. I love the detail of the black metal pieces, and it's just a beautiful shelf. It is also extremely heavy, so that's always a good sign of a good quality piece. You'll see here in a couple minutes how I decorate this shelf, but I just wanted to be sure and have some shelves on the wall just to display little items and books and different things like that. Here's a little outfit of the day. I'm wearing this dress with this denim jacket because I'm freezing, but I wanted to show you the shirt that I'm wearing underneath because this is from Half Tea, and I have been using their shirts for years and years. Here's a stack of some of my Half Tea shirts here. They are just perfect for wearing underneath of dresses. Couldn't recommend these enough, and I'm excited that they've collaborated with one of my favorite clothing companies now as well.
Article stuff is just so freaking heavy.
I know. Just to show you that.
Oh, wow! Open this dress, Lisa. Hey, I'm ready.
So because Levi loves cowboys and horses, that's what made me want to do a cowboy theme in this room and also mix in like an Arizona theme as well. Definitely not going overboard with the decorating and filling up this room too full. It is a small room, and so I am trying to keep it a little bit minimal. Okay, so I touched up the paint on the walls, and now I'm going to pick out a nightstand lamp. I got a couple of options on Amazon, and these are all plug-in wall nightstand lights. The reason that I went with a wall light is because I was just picturing, you know, having a lamp setting on the nightstand, and then Levi's 4 years old if he's throwing like stuffed animals or pillows and knocks over the lamp. So this is just going to be, I think, a smarter choice. I do really love this one. It's got the gold detail, so it brings in just a different type of metal. So this is option 1. You can let me know down below in the comments which one you would have picked. Option 2 is kind of similar to that gold and black light, except this one has kind of a wood look to it. I don't really love this wood look. The only thing that I love about this one is the fact that the switch is actually on here instead of down on the cord. Here we have option 3. Option 3 has got a little bit of a wider shade, which I do like. Can you see that? How bad it's bent? That's kind of a bummer. I hope we can get that bent back if I end up choosing this one. It's definitely between option 1 and option 3. I like that this one is a little bit bigger. It's a little more of a statement here on the wall. I will have all 3 options linked down below. They were very affordable on Amazon. I want you to pick a light, okay? Pick which one you like. Okay, here's the 2 lights. Which one do you like? That one? That's the one Mommy's gonna pick. Okay, I picked a light fixture. I didn't think I'd end up going with this one, but I actually really love how it looks. This was option 1. What sold me on this one is the fact that it does bend out. Before I hang up those lights, we've got a slight issue. Ignore the mess out here in the hallway. This is what happens when you're doing a room makeover. But the slight issue is that you can see very clearly where I touched up the paint. I was hoping you wouldn't be able to, but you can definitely see. So I am just going to have to repaint this entire wall. Didn't paint this wall when I painted the rest of the room because I thought I was going to do an accent on this wall with either some boards or paint it a different color. Putting boards or any other type of accent on this wall we thought would take away from these beams, and we didn't want to take away from the beams. They were way too hard to make. We want those to be the statement in the room. I still can't decide if I should at least paint this wall a different color. I felt like because the room is so small, it might end up being too much. I just can't make up my mind. So because I can't make up my mind, I'm just leaving the wall the same color. If a ton of you are saying I need to paint this wall an accent color, then maybe I'll go for it. But for now, we're just gonna leave it the same color as the rest of the room, which is Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams. The next day, and I started off my morning with a walk and a run. Over the last 2 years, I've been trying to exercise more, eat better, and that leads me into today's sponsor, which is Hume Health. I'm really excited about this because I've always wanted to try their Hume Pod. You can't go off the number on the scales. Your body can be changing a lot, even if that number stays the same. And the Hume Pod shows how much muscle you're building, the fat mass you're losing. It's basically a portable body analyzer that uses 8 frequency sensors to deliver precise weight, full body composition, and heart health at an accuracy of 98% compared to medical grade health scans. If you're on a health journey as well and you want to try this out, they're having a huge New Year's sale, 35% off, and then with my discount code you get like almost 50% off in total. And if you're in the US, you can actually get this for free because it's HSA FSA eligible, so if you have that, you can get it covered for free by your insurance. Thank you to Hume Health for sponsoring today's video and supporting Hannah's Happy Home. Now it's time to completely finish this room and start decorating. I'm starting by decorating these shelves, and I'll take you through each item that I'm adding to the shelf. Levi likes javelinas because his favorite stuffed animal is this javelina that his Aunt Faith got him like 3 years ago. He calls this javelina Doodle, and so I wanted to put a few touches of javelina around the room. I saw this postcard at my favorite vintage shop in Tucson and thought it would be neat to frame this and put it on the shelf. Also, this Arizona picture that I got on Amazon has the 2 little javelinas, and if you're unfamiliar with what these are, they are the wild pigs that we have here in Arizona. And this horse I got at that vintage shop in Tucson. Levi likes this ABCs of Arizona book, and then this is an ocotillo stick that we got from one of our hiking trips. This cactus I bought in Tombstone, which if you know of Arizona, then you know of the little town of Tombstone. And then I added this pot to the top shelf, some greenery from Hobby Lobby. Always love to add some greenery over the edge of a shelf, and my favorites are at Hobby Lobby. So we had added this light to the corner, which this used to be the light fixture in our dining room, but Jalen just turned it into a plug-in hanging light, and it was perfect for this corner. Levi's stuffed horse was in need of some surgery. His arm had come off, and so had to get some needle and thread and sew that back on. And then I will just be continuing with the decorating, adding a mirror, hooks, blanket, more decor, just completely finishing up the space. Levi usually just sleeps in this room. He doesn't play in here much. Most of his toys are over in the boys' room, which also doubles as their playroom, but I still want to make Levi a toy corner in this closet when I do his closet organization in a future video, because it's a huge closet. If you remember years ago, I turned it into a play closet for the boys. So I want to do something similar for Levi, but that is where some of his toys will be stored, and who knows if this room will always be his bedroom in the future. It's just nice overall to have another bedroom set up in the house. So I'll quickly walk you through what I put on this dresser. These vintage books my sister-in-law just recently gave the boys, and then that's one of Levi's favorite books. And then this rock was from one of our hiking trips here in Arizona. These were Levi's first shoes. This little faux cactus I've had on hand for years. I've also had the pot on hand for years and the greenery. This wooden bowl I got at that vintage shop in Tucson last year, and it was perfect for here on the dresser. He can put his little treasures in here, his bracelet, his watch, and then of course I had to put his Levi's cowboy doll here on top of the dresser. He got this for Christmas. It's so cute. I wanted to have some hooks right as you walked in the door, and this wooden hook rack he had had in his nursery since he was a baby, but it's like this lighter wood color, so I just stained that a darker color to match the room. For this project, I really wanted to try and use some home decor products that I already had on hand to limit how much I had to buy. This white sign I've had on hand for years. This lasso rope the boys actually found back on the trail behind our property, and then I also hung Levi's overalls here as well. These nightstands have a little cubby above the drawer, so that was perfect to stack some books. And then on top of the nightstands, I put some of his cowboy toys. This little basket was also from that vintage shop. He has been loving this cowboy set that his aunt got him for Christmas, so I put those in the basket so it's easily accessible for him. And now I am working at making some supper, and then we will move on to the next day where we will be completely finishing this room. Stay tuned. I'll be showing the before and afters here in just a minute. I love this painting that I found on Etsy. It was a $5 download, and then I just had it printed and framed on finerworks.com. There's a couple things I love about this picture. First off, it's the Grand Canyon. We recently visited the Grand Canyon here in Arizona as a family. I love all the colors in this painting, and then the fact that it's 3 cowboys and we have 3 boys. A couple other things I added to this room, this horse picture, and then also this poem, which is really special. It's about Arizona, and then the frame is actually made out of barn wood from the farm that I grew up on. My mom made this frame, so it's all just really special. And then this is Levi's little rocking chair. I put his stuffed horse on this rocker, and now Levi's room / the guest room is completely finished. I can now show you the before and the afters. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of the finished space, and also let us know if there's anything you think we should add. Hope you enjoyed this complete bedroom makeover. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next week with a new video. Bye!